Good morning, students. So, chapter real number exercise 1.4. In the last video, question number 1, that solution already given. So, now see question number 2. Written, write down the decimal expansions of those rational numbers in question number 1. So, question number 1 already we have done that one. So, there is so many problem are there, so many number are there like this 1, 2, 3, 4, so many are there. But out of them, just you select those numbers which are having only rational, which are having only terminating decimal expansion, only those numbers just you select. And from the terminating decimal expansion, you write down the decimal expansion of that particular number. So in question number 1, see 13 by 3125 is there. I am selecting only two problems because these two are having terminating decimal expansion in question number 1, and from there I am selecting these two problem only, these two number only, and so many are there. You find out the decimal expansion of that numbers which are having terminating decimal expansion only. So I am selecting these two. So see number 1. So first of all, you have to write down the denominator in the exponential form. For that you do the prime factorization and find out the prime factors, and then that way you write down the exponential form of this denominator, 5 to the power 5. So our target is what? We have to write down the decimal form of this number. So here the denominator you see written 5 to the power 5. This one is called power, this one is called base. So our target is what? We have to convert this base into 10 base. This base you convert into 10 base. But how we have to convert? See. So here power is what? 5. Same power wise we have to consider one base. So see this one 2 considering. So 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Our target is 10 base. So 2 5s are 10 and power you keep same. So from our side we are multiplying 2 to the power 5 with the denominator. Same 2 to the power 5 we have to multiply with the numerator. To balance second line with first line, we have to maintain balance between first line and second line. So whatever number you are multiplying with the denominator, same number you have to multiply with the numerator. So we are multiplying 2 to the power 5 with the denominator, same number you multiply with the numerator. Okay. After that you see this 2 power is common power, so keep as common power. Then 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 2, 10. 10 to the power 5. 5 into 2, 10. It is just you keep this power as common power. So 5 into 2, 10. 10 to the power 5. You are getting, and just you multiply this to see 2 to the power 5 equal to 32. Then 32 into 13 equal to 416. Multiply and find out. Then see that 10 base power is what? 5. Means what? You have to give point before 5 digit from the back side. Before 5 digit you have to give point. Already given there 61400 point. That means 1 digit, 2 digit, 3, 4, 5 digit. Before 5 digit you have to place point because power is 5. That way you have to find out the decimal expansion of this number which is having terminating decimal expansion. Now see question number 6 also having terminating decimal expansion. Already we have found in question number 1. So we are selecting this one. See 23 by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3. So that denominator already written in exponential form. Just you have to reduce the base into 10 base. So here you see 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 2. First of all we have to this power is 2 and this power is 3. So this power 2 turn into what? Power 3. That means you have to convert the 2 power into 3 power. That means 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power 2, then it should be 5. It should be 5. Okay, it should be 5. Now you see again I am doing this one. See. It should be 5 because this one is 5 to the power 2, and here give 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1. So 2 plus 1, 2 to the power 3, and 5 to the power 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Then here you will get 23 into 5 then 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2 plus 1 equal to 3. There these two bases are same, so power you have to add. Laws of indices, a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. This formula you have to use, laws of indices. So we are getting what? Same power, both power are same, and this one is 5. 5 you multiply with 23, then you will get 3 5s are 15, 5 1 in hand, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, like this. Then this one, see, just you keep this one as common power, this one as common power, 1 1 5, then 2 5s are 10, so 10 to the power 3, here same to same you write 1 1 5. Then you see power is 3, so before 3 digit you have to give point. 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. Before 3 digit you have to give point. Like this you have to express into decimal form. Next problem you see, question number 3. Question number 3 written, the following real numbers have decimal expansion as given below. The following real numbers have decimal expansion as given below. Then please stop. In each case, decide whether they are rational or not. That means there is given actually 3 numbers. I am writing only 2, and one problem is left. That one I will do here now. So number 1, 43.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here you see backside given dot 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 dot, means it is non-terminating and it is terminating. Backside there is no dot 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 sign is there. So this one terminating and this one non-terminating. So if the this number is terminating decimal expansion, so it is rational. Already you know numbers which are having terminating decimal expansion are rational. Numbers which are having non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion, these are also rational. But this number, see, it is non-terminating and non-repeating, so it is irrational number. It is irrational number. Okay, but this one is rational. But there is written, if they are rational and of the form p by q, then what can you say about the prime factors of q? That means this number is already in the rational form. First of all, you have to express this number in p by q form. Then you something say about the prime factor of q. This one is q, 10 to the power 9 is the q value. So what can you say about the prime factors? माने इसमें prime factor क्या क्या होगा उसके बारे में तुम्हें बोलना है. So first of all you have to express this number in p by q forms. Just you see from the back side you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Before 9 digit point is there. So to eliminating point before 9 digit you have to give 10 to the power 9. 10 to the power 9 you have to give as denominator. Then this point will be eliminated. After that, this one already written in p by q form. Now 10. 10 base you have to express as prime base. So 2 5s are 10. So we are writing 2 into 5. 9 is the common power. Common power. So 2 5s are 10. 9 you keep as common power. So q has 2 prime factor, that is 2 and 5. So there is written what can you say about prime factor. So we can say that q has prime factor 2 and 5. And this one is the format which we need to express in p by q form. But this number we cannot express into p by q form because this one is irrational. Why irrational? First of all, backside there is dot 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 means non-terminating, and here you see that number of zeros you see. Here 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0. That means that zeros are in imbalance manner. So it is non-terminating and non-repeating decimal expansion, so it is irrational and no need to express in p by q form, or we cannot express in p by q form. So up to this much you have to write written since the number is in the form non-terminating and non-repeating decimal expansion, so it is irrational. Then one more problem is there, that is left. That one is related to non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion. Just I am going to do that one. Okay, so that problem is, that is 3 number 43.1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and over 9 digit there is given recurring sign. So this type of problem already you have done in class 9 also. So this one is non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion, so it is rational. So we have to write like this: solution. The given number is in the non-terminating and repeating. This one is repeating, repeating. So non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion. Therefore it is rational. So it's P by Q form. I can give, now you express in P by Q form. So first of all you consider let x equal to 43.123456789. That means this one is repeating as a block. This 9-digit block is repeated like this. See, again repeating 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 dot. That means this block is gradually repeating. So you have to write like this: is since 9 digits are repeating as a block, so by multiplying how many digits? 9 digits. So 10 to the power 9 on both sides. We have to multiply 10 to the power 9 on both sides. So we get, so now you write down as a mathematical expression, that one. See, 10 to the power 9 into x equal to 10 to the power 9 into 43.12345678 9. Okay, then again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 dot. But 10 to the power 9, how many zeros are there? 9 zeros. This number, when you multiply with this point, it will move backward after 9 digits. So see, 43, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. After 9 digits, this point will move backward after 9 digits. Here now point you have to give here. After 9 digits, that point will move. So now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 dot. That means many are there. This one, see now, or you can give implies 10 to the power 9x. Then this number you have to express as a sum of given number with another number. Given number is what? 43.123456789.9, or you can give recurring sign. That means this block is again repeating. So what number you have to add with this to get this number? Okay, you have to express this number as a sum, means plus sum of given number with another number. So we don't know another number you have to find. So how you will get another number? You subtract this number from this number. How you have to subtract that one? Just you see, I am doing here. First of all, you write down this number: 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 dot. Then you write down this number: 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1.43. Then minus. So this part is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 point. 9 minus 3 6. 8 minus 4 4. Then remaining what? 7 6 5. These are same to same. You have to write. So your number is this: 4 3. You write like this: 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then 4 6. So it is the another number which you need to add with this to get this. Okay. Now see, this one you have declared as x. So in the place of this you write down x, and this one is 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 46. Then it will be 10 to the power 9x. So now x you shift to left side. So just you write down 9 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. X minus x. 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 4 6. Then this one will be what? 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. So how many 9? 9 9. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. X equal 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 4 6. Now you shift this part. 9 9 9. 9 times of 9 you shift to right side. Now see this one. So x equal 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 4 6. 7 4 6 divided by 9 9 9 9 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So which is in p by q form? Which is in p by q form? P by q form. Now you have to say about the denominator q. This one is in the p by q form. So 1 into 9 into. It should be 9 into. This one is same to same. 4 3 5 6 7 4 6. Now see 9 you take like this here. 1 1 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So from here it is clear that 9 is 3 square. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How many times written 1? 9 times written 1. So one thing is clear, that is what, that prime factors are 3. Prime factors are 3 and other prime factors except 2 and 5. Except 2 and 5, because last digit is not 0. If last digit is 0, then there is a chance to get prime factor 2 and 5. 2 and 5 को छोड़ के बाकी prime factor हो सकता है. So we can write like this. See, therefore q has other prime factors except what? Except 2 and 5. Except 2 and 5. So this way we can express the terminating and non-terminating and repeating non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion as p by q form, and first then we have to express the denominator as a prime factor. Then what prime factors are possible there, then just to write about this. So last digit is not 0 means 2 and 5 is not possible to get as a prime factor. So q has other prime factors except 2 and 5. So that's all.